When we're creating a project in Alert Stratus, it's important that we always set up a billing trigger so that the system knows how and when we're going to be billing our customers for this particular project. So if I open up my energy system project, I click on my billing triggers area here, I can now see a list of all the different billing triggers that we've set for this particular project, with this example showing a weekly billing of time and materials. And if I drag over, I can see that it's being billed on a certain date and it's being billed weekly. When I want to create a new billing trigger, I can just simply click here to add a new project billing trigger, or if I'm back at my project view, I can just click here to add a billing trigger right here in the ribbon bar. So there are a number of different types of billing triggers in Alert Stratus. So I can bill for time and materials, I can do billing of fixed amounts. It's also supported to have % of project completion if we're doing milestone type billing. It's also supported with deposits and holdbacks, and if we're doing billing of just time or billing of just materials, you can do so as well. For this example, we're going to set up just a time and materials type of billing trigger that we're going to bill semi-monthly. I'd set my bill on to be on a date. I'd set my billing date to be perhaps 2 weeks from now. With a cutoff date, in this example, I'll match the cutoff date to be the same as our billing date. And then next I'd put in our billing interval. So are we going to be billing it once? Is it going to be weekly or semi-monthly? And from here, all I have to do is save and close that. Now I've just created a new billing trigger, so when I'm running batch billing in the system's already going to know exactly how much and when we're going to be billing for this particular project. If I were to set up another billing trigger as an example, if we're doing every 20% completion billing for this project, I'd select the billing type to be on a % of project completion, say bill on % complete. You'll notice when I select % complete that this field now becomes a required field, and all I have to do is just type in the percentage that I'd like the system to do our billing on. So if I say 20% completion and save and close this, the system's now going to know that every 20% completion of this project, we'd like our batch billing to pick up this particular project and invoice our customer the appropriate amount.